Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. So today I am comparing two palettes, and these are these two. This is Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette, and this is Wet n Wild Rose in the Air. And these two are dupes for Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I don't have that palette, but I have these two ones, so I wanted to compare them. I already tried this and I know I like it, so I'll leave a link in, I think, this corner and in the description below, so you can see first impressions of this palette. And this has 15 shades like this, and I really like all of these shades. This is the Wet n Wild. This has 10 shades, yes, and so these are all crease or lid shades, and these big ones are transition shades, which is great because you have these big pens of transition which you use in every look. So as I said, I didn't try this palette from Wet n Wild yet, so this will be some kind of first impressions also. So let's start. First I'll swatch a few of these shades. So this is Makeup Revolution and this is Wet n Wild. It's not the same shade, but I'll try this other one, Rose, from Makeup Revolution palette. I think this is better comparison, but in the pen they look like these two ones are dupes, but actually are these two ones. So these are the swatches from some shades. Left ones are from Wet n Wild and right ones from Makeup Revolution. I think they look pretty okay, they are really nice dupes. Just these transition shades. So this is the Wet n Wild and I think I like it the most. And these two ones are from Makeup Revolution. So, but this gold, I think it's pretty the same shade, so that's pretty nice. I'll do left eye with Wet n Wild palette and right eye with this Makeup Revolution palette. So I think I'll start with this transition shade from Wet n Wild palette. Whoa, they have a lot of fallout. But I've said it many times, I really don't mind that as long as the shadows are fine, so let's see that. This shade blended pretty nice. It's a nice transition shade, so that's okay for now. Next, I think I wanna take this Dusty Rose shade. So, and I'll use equivalent from Makeup Revolution palette, and it would be this one. Now to deepen up a bit my crease, I'll use this shade. Oh, look at that pigment. From Makeup Revolution, I'll use this shade. And now for my lid, I wanna use this gold shade, and I wanna try it dry and wet. Looks nice, but I wanna try it wet. This is nice. it's great with fingers also. And from Makeup Revolution I'm using this shade. So this looks a bit better when it's dry, but we'll try it wet also. So I think this gold shade is a bit more reflective and a bit lighter, like white gold. This is a bit more yellowy, but I like them both. But honestly, I don't think they look the same. They are pretty similar, but not the same. For my lower lash line, I'll use this darkest shade we used in our crease. And now with a bigger brush, I'll use that Dusty Rose shade and I'll blend it. With Makeup Revolution palette also, using this shade. I'll use this Essence Beauty in my waterline, it's white eyeliner pencil. I'm using Total Temptation from Maybelline. I line my lips with Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner. And to fill my lips, I'm using this Catrice Ultimate Matte Lipstick in the shade 70 Nude Crush Everyday. So guys, this is my completed look. This is how my eyes look. I'm pretty impressed. I really like both of my eyes. All of the shades I tried in this palette are really great. As I said, they have a lot of fallout, actually kickback in the pans, in the palette, but not under the eyes. So I don't have problem with that. So this palette has a lot less, but I honestly like them the same. Maybe I like some of these shades even more from Wet n Wild palette. Like for example, this Transition. I think it's great, and Makeup Revolution doesn't have something like this, despite that it has 5 shades more than this palette. I really like this orangey and this reddish one. I just think this gold one is better in Makeup Revolution palette. So I mean, you get more shades in this palette and you get beautiful shades in this one also. So I mean, it depends on what you want and what you like, but I'll give a thumbs up. I'll give a thumbs up to both of these palettes. So that's it. And what I also like on my face is my combo on the cheeks. It's this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade I think Molten Gold. And my blush is from this e.l.f. palette, and I used this shade and I really like how that looks. And of course I link and list all of the products I use on my face in the description below, so be sure to check it out. And that's it. Of course, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it, and thank you for watching. Bye!